Hello. In this video, I will explain to you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot that makes appointment bookings for a hospital. It will ask the user for information such as name, age, and gender, and it will also ask to select the appointment date and time. All this information will be saved in Google Sheets. The chatbot will ask the user several questions until it gets all the required information and fills it into Google Sheets. In this workflow, I will use the platform n8n to work on it. As for the WhatsApp API, I will use the platform Wasender API because from my research on the internet for a platform that provides WhatsApp API at a cheap price and doesn't need time for activation, I found the Wasender API platform. As you can see, other platforms like Meta and others require approvals, document submissions, and waiting, which sometimes takes more than 2 weeks, in addition, of course, to high prices, and they also impose extra fees on every message. But the Wasender API platform activates WhatsApp API within a few minutes, and the subscription fees are very symbolic. There are no message fees, meaning you can receive and send messages without any extra charges. As you can see, this is the Wasender API platform. It supports multiple languages and is easy to use. Honestly, I relied on it and decided it will be the one I use for WhatsApp API in my workflows. Also, as you can see, the prices are very suitable. $6 per month is a very symbolic price. I can work on WhatsApp with one number, or $15 for 3 numbers, or $30 for 6 numbers. I can get WhatsApp API for 6 numbers, or $45 for more numbers. In this case, business owners can rely on this platform because its prices are very reasonable. To register, we choose Continue with Google. Create WhatsApp session. Through WhatsApp session, it asks us for a session name. I can name it Booking Appointment. I select the country. After selecting the country, I enter the number that I will connect WhatsApp to, the one I will take the API from. I will click Create and Continue. Now we get a QR code. I let WhatsApp scan the code so the connection is made between the Wasender API platform and my WhatsApp number. As you can see, it shows me the API key here, which I will need in the workflow. This is the Wasender API platform, easy to use and very affordable. It also provides webhooks, through which I can modify the webhook to capture messages, as you will see. This will be our work in the workflow. We have the Test API and My API key that I can work with. All of this we will apply in this video. We go to the n8n platform first. I want a node. This node's job is to capture the messages that reach me on WhatsApp. This node will be a webhook. The webhook's role is to capture or grab any message that reaches me on WhatsApp. I copy the link and go to the Wasender API platform. I go to Webhook Testing, then Edit Session, scroll down, and enable the option Enable Webhook Notification. Very easily, I paste the code or paste the link and make sure the Message Received option is enabled. Then I click Save Settings. In this case, I go back and choose Post. Now I have connected the Wasender API platform with WhatsApp. You'll notice when I wrote this, it was captured immediately. Within a few minutes, I had WhatsApp API connected to the phone and it started receiving messages. The second step is that I will use an AI agent, an artificial intelligence agent. Of course, for the AI agent, I will choose Defined By, so I can specify the message that arrived on WhatsApp, which here is the text, as you can see. Just drag and drop. Okay. In this case, of course, the AI agent needs a brain to think, and the brain is either ChatGPT or Gemini. Here I will choose OpenAI ChatGPT. I already have an account subscribed. So we go back and we have created a brain for the AI agent. The second stage is memory. I select the number from which the message arrived so the AI agent knows that this number belongs to these messages, and I set it to 10. In this case, I created an agent that has intelligence and also memory. Now I choose HTTP request, through which I send the message produced by the AI agent. I go to the Wasender API platform, go to Documentation. From Documentation, I choose Send Text Message, and from Send Text Message, I copy this link. After copying this link, I go back to n8n and paste it into the HTTP request node. Then I choose this option, Set Off, and I must add the API key of the Wasender API platform. I go back to the platform, go to the main page where the session API key is shown. You'll see Your API Key. I just copy it. After copying, I go back to n8n and paste it, and then save. Okay? The HTTP request node needs something else. In the documentation of the Wasender API platform, it mentions that we need two variables, to and text. The to is the phone number that I will put here, the remote JID, and text is the message that comes out from the output of the AI agent. We wait for it, okay? We drag the output to be in the text. Now we have an AI agent or chatbot working. Okay, let's test. As you can see, the chatbot replied to me. Now the second step. I need to go to Google Sheets and create a file called Hospital Appointment. This file contains several sheets: Patient, Appointment, and Config. In each one, I enter the data as you see in front of you. Now we go back to the n8n platform, through which we will add a new Google Sheets node. This Google Sheets is basically a collection that contains multiple sheets, as you can see. Of course, I have already set up the credentials. I will choose Get Row and select Hospital Appointment. This is the name of the Google Sheets file I created. As you can see, there are three options because I originally created 3 pages: Patient, Config, and Appointment. Here I will choose Patient. Add value/condition. I will add the WhatsApp number and drag the remote JID. Now I add another Google Sheets node. This Google Sheets node is to check the hospital settings, working hours, and any other notes available. I also choose Get Row, and of course the credentials are already set. I select the same Hospital Appointment, and here I choose Config. Done with this one. Next, I create another new Google Sheets node. In this one, I will add the patient's data, name, age, and so on. I select Append Row. Append Row, choose Google Sheets, choose Patient. Now I will configure several fields. First, Patient ID. I set it as an expression, now.2 millis. As you can see, this is what I selected. For the WhatsApp number, I dragged the remote JID, which is the patient's phone number. The first one was the patient ID. For the name, I will let the AI identify it. The AI agent will extract it. Also the age and gender. As for status, I will delete it. Now we go back and add another new Google Sheets node. This time, this Google Sheets node is responsible for setting the appointment, booking the appointment. Again, Google Sheets, Get Row, OK, Hospital Appointment, choose Appointment. Here, I only give it the patient's phone number, which is the WhatsApp number, and I drag the remote JID. Okay, now I also add a 5th Google Sheets node. Its role is to add the appointment data. Okay, Google Sheets, okay, Hospital Appointment, Appointment. Column, I delete it because I don't need it. Here I select Append Row. After selecting it, for the appointment ID, I choose Expression as well. Now.milliseconds. Just like before, so it gives a unique number for the appointment. Okay, done. For patient ID, I will let the AI agent handle it. For WhatsApp number, I take the remote JID and drag it. Okay, for date and time, I also leave them for the AI to detect. For status, I choose Confirm. We organize the Google Sheets and add another new Google Sheets node. This one displays all existing appointments. Again, Get Row, Appointment, Hospital Appointment, Appointment. Done. We go back and add another new Google Sheets node. This one is for rescheduling appointments. Google Sheets, choose Update Row, through which we update the new appointment schedule. OK, choose Appointment, Hospital Appointment. For appointment ID and also date and time, we leave them to the AI and delete the rest. We delete WhatsApp number, delete date because AI will detect it, and time also for AI to capture, and we delete status. The last Google Sheets node we add is for deleting appointments. In this Google Sheets, we use Update Row. OK, Hospital Appointment. Choose the Appointment Sheet. We choose Appointment ID, which we leave for the AI, and delete the rest. Only status we set to Cancel. We write Cancel. This is the workflow we now have. Now we add the last node, which is date and time, so it automatically captures or recognizes the time without us updating it manually every time. OK, date and time. OK, set automatically. We keep the same settings and don't change anything, just add an option. From Add Option, we choose Time Zone, which is American, New York. We go back to the workflow and arrange it. Now the workflow looks like this. It is a system for booking appointments. Now I go get the prompt so I can add it to the AI agent so it can recognize and read the Google Sheets. This is the prompt. Now everything is ready, as you can see. After I click Save, I run the program, and as you can see, it worked very easily. I used the Wasender API platform, which I recommend you use because its price is cheap and it doesn't require effort, documents, or any requirements. Just a few minutes and you can activate WhatsApp API on your device. If you liked the lesson or if you have any questions, please write to me in the comments and don't forget to like. Thank you. Bye-bye.